Temperature spikes in your smoker can be caused by various factors such as air leaks, fuel levels, ventilation, and heat distribution. Understanding these common causes is essential for effectively troubleshooting temperature fluctuations. By addressing issues like sealing air leaks, monitoring fuel levels, adjusting ventilation, and using heat deflectors, you can maintain a consistent temperature in your smoker and ensure optimal cooking results. Air leaks can disrupt the temperature stability in your smoker, leading to undesirable spikes. By identifying and sealing any gaps or leaks in the smoker, you can prevent heat from escaping and maintain a steady temperature for consistent cooking. Paying attention to areas like door seals, joints, and vents is crucial in ensuring efficient heat retention. Properly sealing these potential leakage points will help you achieve better control over the cooking temperature and enhance the overall smoking experience. Monitoring your fuel levels is essential for maintaining a consistent temperature in your smoker. Running out of fuel or having an inconsistent fuel supply can result in sudden temperature fluctuations. By effectively managing your fuel source and ensuring a steady supply throughout the smoking process, you can avoid unexpected spikes or drops in temperature. Keeping a close eye on your fuel levels and replenishing as needed will help you maintain a stable cooking environment and achieve optimal results with your smoker. Properly adjusting the vents on your smoker plays a key role in controlling airflow and temperature. By learning how to manipulate the vents, you can manage the amount of oxygen entering the smoker, which in turn affects the intensity of the fire and heat distribution. Adjusting ventilation settings allows you to fine-tune the cooking conditions inside the smoker, helping you achieve a stable and consistent temperature throughout the smoking process. Mastering the art of ventilation adjustment will empower you to optimize your smoking results and enhance the flavor of your dishes. Heat deflectors are invaluable tools for achieving uniform heat distribution within your smoker. By strategically placing heat deflectors, you can prevent hot spots and ensure that heat circulates evenly around the cooking chamber. This balanced heat distribution minimizes the risk of temperature spikes and provides a consistent environment for your food to cook in. Understanding how to position and utilize heat deflectors effectively will result in more predictable and reliable cooking temperatures throughout your smoking sessions, ultimately enhancing the quality of your smoked dishes.